Hey everyone, welcome back. What are we changing out? Engine air filter located right in here. This one here is a 2021 Kona with a 2-liter 4-cylinder. We just did an oil change on it, checked all the fluids, brake fluid, coolant level, topped up the windshield washer fluid. Everything else is good. Can't check the transmission fluid level on this because there's no dipstick, but that engine air filter needs to be changed out. So went and picked one up. I'm going to show you how to change it out. 2 clips. One down here on this side, one right down in front. You can see it right there. There's your first clip. Pop it down. Got that? Pretty simple, right? Second clip, we'll move the camera here for you, just to show you real quickly here. Second clip, right down inside here. Pull it back. Sorry, it's a push. Sorry, it's push. Push that way, not pull. Push. Got those two? Good. Let's get going here. Got my replacement filter right here. Oops, let's see if we can get that number a little better for you. Get my shadow out of the way. Fram filter, that's the one I grabbed. It's just over $20. Pop that over there. All you want to do is lift this up. There's the filter. Now these do have a flow direction to them. So when you do pull it out, we're going to check the box inside there afterwards just to make sure there's no mice or anything inside. This is up towards you. There's the dirty side. That's down. That's the way she goes in, just like that. It's going to draw through the bottom of here, which will filter out the air. Obviously you can see how nice and dirty this is compared to the clean side. It's got its rubber gasket all the way around the edges. Throw that off to the side, grab your new one. Let's open it up. Any local parts store will carry these filters for you. Now let's see if you can see the difference here. I'm just going to lay them side by side here real quickly. Oh yeah, just a little. Which one's dirty? Which one's clean? Oh yeah. So remember, downside. This is good. This hard plastic, deep setting, gaskets here. Deep setting. This is going to go down inside. This one here, we'll move off to the side for right now. Take your filter. But before we install that, all I want to do is look down inside, and there's a twig in there. That's it. Everything else looks pretty good. There's no water in here, which is great. If you do find a lot of debris down inside the box, you can take your shop vac, vacuum it out. Fresh air intake is way down below. Actually, it comes up through here, and then you're down inside there. Grab your new filter. Pop it into place. Did you get that? Let me see if we get some shadow out of the way. There it is. It's just resting in place. Now, I'm going to show you the 2 clips that are on the back side. Here, we're going to grab the camera again. One there. And one there. This little piece, the light's not the best. That little, you can see it right now when I lift it up. There's a little slot that fits down inside there. One on each side. Camera will go back here momentarily. Kind of want to two-hand this. One hand here, one hand here. Fit it into the 2 slots. There you go. Left one is in, right one is in. Move your clips out of the way. Push the lid down. Clip here. Clip, clip, clip. Come on, clip. Did I not push it in correctly? Sure I did. Oh, the clip's in the way. There we go. There we go. Push it down. Snap it. First one's in. I didn't have it in fully properly on the back side. There we go. Take this one, pop that in. We'll grab the camera. Show you the clips. Clip number 1. Clip number 2. Right down on there, that's where your tab will flow into. One there, one on the left, and one on the right. Get that filter changed out. See an improvement in your fuel economy. Simple, straightforward. Check the rest of your fluids at the same time while you're doing an oil change. That's it. Questions, comments, leave them. Thumbs up. This one's good to go. 8% better fuel economy right off the bat.